Hello students, welcome into our study time. This is our physics C lab where we are seeing the experiment of a simple pendulum. We are going to demonstrate the transformation of kinetic energy into potential energy and vice versa. Let us see different instruments which are going to be used in this experiment. Now we shall need a string. First of all, we need a string or a thread. Number 2, a metal bulb. Then we shall need a ruler and a stopwatch. Let us follow the experiment. Enjoy the lesson. Now, let us see the energy observed while we are performing the pendulum bulb experiment. Now, for this experiment, as we said, we need a thread or a string. We need a metallic bulb, okay? But also, we shall need a ruler, okay? A ruler and a stopwatch, as we said. Now, for this case, our metallic bulb, it is connected to the thread, and of course it is at equilibrium position. Now, when you disturb our metallic bulb and hang it to a certain elevation at a certain angle, okay? Now, let's say it is hanged to 50 centimeters position. Now, if you release, make sure that you start counting your stopwatch, okay, to count the periods of oscillation, okay. Now we need to do this at the same time we make now our stopwatch counting. So now, as our pendulum is oscillating, okay, it is showing us that if we look here, if we look at this block, okay, look beside of the ruler, you see how energy transformations are appearing. Now, when the bulb it is at the topmost, you see that we have the maximum potential energy. But when it becomes here at the equilibrium position here, of course, its kinetic becomes maximum, but potential becomes 0. But now at the middle, between the maximum position and the equilibrium position, so this place, it is where the kinetic and potential are being transformed into one another, okay. So it is clear, if you see. Now you can count the period, okay, a single period and a complete. I think it is clear. Now, if you see, okay, let us make the slow motion. You can see that from here up to there. Okay, now when comes back here, it will make the complete turn. That is where one period it is formed. That is the second. Now we start the second. Okay, we started the second turn. Okay, so it will be completed when reached at this equilibrium. That is the second turn. Then you continue. That is how we make the oscillations and observe the different energy transformation, where kinetic energy is transformed into potential energy. Okay, if it's here, you can see here that potential is max, kinetic is low, at mechanical is the total energy. Thank you very much for watching. This is the end of our experiment. See you next time. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe and make a comment so that we have the improvement for the next videos, which are going to come later. Thank you very much. See you later.